Sophia was a high performer. Everyone said so. She delivered every task with precision and before deadline. But in spite of her very high work ethic, she found herself stuck in the same routine. No promotions, no new responsibilities, just stuck. One day, after a long meeting, Sophia's manager, Daniel, asked to speak to her privately. "You do excellent work," he said. "But if you want to move to the next level, you need to stop doing everything by yourself." Sophia frowned. She sighed. She said, "I'm just trying to be responsible." Daniel nodded. He said, "That's the problem. You're just doing tasks. You're not thinking strategically." And he continued. He said, "You need to practice delegation and you need to create a feedback loop with your team." She didn't love hearing it, but she listened. Over the next few weeks, Sophia started making small changes. She stopped taking on the "please help me out" requests. She delegated a lot of tasks to her juniors. She scheduled quick check-ins to ensure stakeholder alignment. And something incredible happened. She finally had time to think. She identified inefficiencies in the workflow. She created a new reporting structure. She initiated a cross-team planning call, which resolved a recurring communication issue. Suddenly, she was not just completing tasks. She was shaping the direction of the team. Her manager noticed. Leadership noticed. Even other departments noticed. At her quarterly review, Daniel said, "You've shown some real professional development over the past month. You have demonstrated accountability and strategic thinking at a higher level." Then he added, "I'd like to talk to you about your career trajectory." Sophia felt a knot in her throat. For the first time, she was not just an excellent worker. She was a potential leader. She learned the lesson nobody tells you early in your career. Growth doesn't happen when you do more. Growth happens when you do what matters more. And sometimes it just takes the right person, a mentor, to guide you and to help you to step into the role which you were always meant to do. I hope this short story inspired you. So for more such inspiring content, do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Enjoy English.